All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about XRP. First time we're talking about it, a lot of good stuff. It's in the top 10. People love this cryptocurrency, so we're going to do a little deep dive into it. Check out the website. It's down a little bit right now, but then it's up a little bit, so it's kind of balanced out. We'll kind of dig into that. Also, Kevin Lee's a fighter. He's taken all his fighting wins in Bitcoin. Another football player, basketball player, now this person's a fighter, and he's taken all his fights in Bitcoin. And I guess he had some scenario 4 years ago when he had some Bitcoin and he was injured, so we'll dig into that. At the end, we're going to also go over some discount buys, see if there's anything out there that's a good discount buy or buy in the dip. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and of course, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So with that, let's go. Oh, and all our information is for educational purposes only. With that, let's head over to XRP. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap. XRP is the 8th cryptocurrency on the planet, traded at 82 cents. Again, in 24 hours, it's up 4%, but in the last 7 days, it's down 7%. So it's kind of breaking even on that one. A little up, a little down. So XRP, again, over to the right here, is up 4.35%. Fantastic on that. The circulation supply is basically at 47%, 47.25B. So circulation is 47%, so there's over 53% of the circulation still available with XRP. Now take a look at this chart here. And again, this is on the last day, but boy, talk about a dip, and then woo, going on up to the top. All right, let's take a look at the 7-day. So 7 day, basically, again, it's kind of been going down and going up and going down. Here's that 24 hours in that big swoop right here. So pretty nice. Here's that big swoop right there. Boom, going down and going back up. So what is XRP? To begin, the importance to understand the difference between XRP, Ripple, RippleNet. XRP is the currency that runs a digital payment platform called RippleNet, which is the top distributor ledger database called XRP Ledger. While RippleNet is run by a company called Ripple, the XRP Ledger is open source and is not based on the blockchain, but rather the previous mentioned distributor ledger database. All right, so let's go ahead and head over to some stuff here. Over here at the Twitter account, Ripple. Says right here, RippleNet surged in 2021, but it's primed for even more explosive growth than 2022. So Ripple could be jumping off the charts here. With 20 countries accessible and customers' payments need, the international volume is up 25x since the third quarter of last year. So yeah, 25x since last year's third quarter. Oh boy. So again, the growth in Ripple is going up, up, up. Heading over here to the website, XRP Ledger. So right at the beginning here, we got some pictures and everything. We scroll down a little bit. XRP Ledger, community-powered utility. Click right here. You can start building the XRP Ledger, a scalable, sustainable blockchain. The XRP Ledger is decentralized public blockchain led by global development. Why developers choose XRP? Public decentralized structures, streamlined deployment, high performance, low cost, vibrant community, and proven reliability. Activate the power of XRP Ledger and find the building blocks for the next innovation. Decentralized exchange, cross-current payments, payment channels, multi-signings, issue currency. So all kinds of stuff here at XRP. Choose the path to start building on XRPL. The quick start, do the tutorial, get inspired, choose a language, and all the fundamentals. XRP is here to stay in the top 10, everybody. Share our vision of XRP together, and explore what the community is building to enable new features, the use case of XRPL. Now, in development is smart contracts. In development, people are going to get an NFTs, non-fungible tokens, so that's in development. And then side chains is in development. So they got a lot of different things in development. Again, if they're up so much since the third quarter of last year, 25x, where's this token going to be when all these new things start to happen? All right, so give us your thoughts in the bottom. Do you have some XRP? Is it one of your cryptocurrencies? It is in the top 10. What do you think about it? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Well, we're going to go over to professional athletes here taking all their money in Bitcoin. I mean, it's starting to be a common theme. What do you think? All right, Kevin Lee will be paid exclusively in Bitcoin for Eagle FC fights. So Kevin Lee, he says Kevin Lee's 4-fight contract with Eagle FC will be paid to him exclusively through currency Bitcoin. After being paid in money during the UFC career, Lee was taking a unique route to kick off his partnership with Eagle FC. Lee described the new deal as a lucrative first in the sport. To be the first MMA fighter who deals worth millions of dollars in Bitcoin, the first one, this was some appeal for me, said Lee. You know, so he's excited right here, getting paid in Bitcoin, but there's a reason. Says Lee's interest in cryptocurrency is past due to how he helped him before. Lee was described in an interview as an investment he made in Bitcoin 4 years ago that allowed him to make money while he was dealing with injuries last year. You know, after his fight, he invested some of his money in Bitcoin all the way back. Honestly, he knew he had knee injuries, and it saved him because he forgot about the money, but then the Bitcoin blew up and got him back and gave him some money to live off of. So since then, he's really became a big believer in Bitcoin. So yeah, everybody, here's another fighter or a fighter who's now getting paid in Bitcoin, his whole contract. You know, Lee's new contract is part of a slow-growing trend seen around sports. NFL player Sean Culkin announced earlier this year that he will have a contract that is exclusively paid in Bitcoin. All right, so what do you think about this trend of Odell Beckham's getting paid in Bitcoin, Tom Brady's getting some paid in Bitcoin, we got celebrities getting paid in Bitcoin, people are, what are they getting into, FTX, all kinds of stuff. Now we got fighters getting paid exclusively in Bitcoin. I mean, it's starting to be a trend that people are getting paid in Bitcoin. So give us your thoughts in the bottom. Don't forget to hit the like button. All right, let's head back over to XRP, price prediction, and see what it's going on. All right, over here at XRP, you know, my price prediction, I think this coin's going to go to at least $1. That's only 18 cents higher. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but there's so many things that they're working on, NFTs, this and that. So again, since the third quarter of last year to this year, it's 25x. So yeah, getting to $1 should be pretty easy. Again, all our information for educational purposes only. Hey, take a look at Avalanche, up 19% in the last 7 days. And it's up 19% in the last 24 hours. Luna did a big bounce back at 16% bounce back in the last 24 hours. Take a look at Solana here, 15% bounce back in the last 24 hours. We even got some Ethereum bouncing back over 4,000 in the last 24 hours, 7%. Bitcoin is still at 48,000. What do you think about Bitcoin being at 48,000? Will it get back to 55? Will it get back to 60? I mean, it goes up and down and everything. So 48,000 for the Bitcoin. Remember the 3 reasons they said that the Bitcoin became below 50,000. 1 was the Feds, all that's going on with the Feds. 2 was the COVID, all the different variants and this and that, and don't know if the vaccines work or don't work, and you know what people are thinking. So people are worried about COVID. And the third thing is people taking money off the table in Christmas time because they've had their money. Bitcoin last year was at 29,000. Bitcoin is up 65% from year to year, from last year to this year. So a lot of investors are taking their profits off the table. Could be the reason why Bitcoin is down. All right, so don't forget to share this video with your friends. Click right here to see our most recent video. Our information is for educational purposes only. We like to bring cryptocurrency every single day at noon, Monday through Friday. Bonus videos are around 7 o'clock, Monday through Friday. And on the weekends, around 3 to 4 o'clock. Hey, everybody, being Thursday night, have a fantastic night tonight, Thursday night.